In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cannot start PlayStation 4 Connect Dualshock. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The message cannot start PlayStation 4 Connect Dualshock is usually attributed to an issue with connecting your controller to the console. So in this video, I'm gonna go over basic steps that you should try to fix this. So first, check the cable. Use the cable that came with your PlayStation 4 controller first. If that one is not working or you want to try an alternative cable while they can still work, it is best practice to always try with the original PlayStation 4 controller first. Some micro USB cables are going to be for charging only, and because of this, they will not transfer data that is needed for pairing the controller with the console. Of course, inspect the cable for any physical damage, like fraying or loose connection, and try a different USB port on your PlayStation 4 since it could also be attributed to the port that you are using. If you notice that all cables that you use in every single port are not working, then it could indicate a problem with the controller instead. Talking about the controller, what you can try to do as well is to restart the controller. So locate the small reset button on the back of the Dualshock 4 controller near the top left corner next to the L2 button. Use a small tool like a paper clip to gently press and hold the button for about 5 seconds. This is going to reset the controller, and you can try connecting it again using a USB cable. If it still doesn't work after you switch the USB ports, after you try a different cable, and after you reset the controller, then restart your PlayStation 4. Sometimes a simple restart of the console can resolve temporary glitches, so make sure that you turn it off completely, not rest mode, and you unplug the power cord for a few seconds. Plug it back in, restart the PlayStation 4, and try again. If it still doesn't work, then it is probably attributed to the controller malfunctioning. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cannot start PlayStation 4 Connect Dualshock. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.